Welcome to Agribusiness Development Farming video. Viewers, Arabic palm is the oldest fruit in the world. This fruit cultivation is more prevalent mainly in East and North American countries. In the desert areas of the Arab countries where no other vegetation is easy to grow, palm gardens are used to create wilderness. In the Muslim countries, there is a tradition of iftar with Saudi dates during Ramadan. All Muslim countries, including Bangladesh, import a lot of dates or meet their needs during the month of Ramadan. Large date palm farms in Bangladesh, including Faridpur, Jashore, Khulna, Barishal, are cultivated mainly for the production of juice and molasses. The amount of fruit grown on the palm tree of indigenous varieties is not good quality, so there is not much circulation to eat as fruit. For the last 15 to 20 years, some interested farmers from different parts of the country have been successful in cultivating palm in limited form. They are made from seed gardens that do not protect the quality of the breed. Due to the use of modern proper technology and the ability to pollinate palm trees are less productive. Viewers, in this video, we present 60 years above old-aged retired teacher Mr. Abdul Jalil from Pabna district in Bangladesh, who comes forward to plant Saudi palm in front of his house. Mr. Jalil said that creating a palm garden is not a very difficult task because of the fertile land of Bangladesh. So, according to him, anyone can hope to create a palm garden in our country. When we asked him about the backstory of creating a palm garden, he told us that in 2012, when he went to Saudi Arabia, he collected some palm fruits from there. Then he saw those date palms in front of his house. Due to lack of experience, that time he became fail, but he did not give up hope. In 2014, one of his relatives attended to Makkah for Hajj. He requested him to carry some high-quality date palms from Medina. His relatives did this. During this period, he became more experienced than first time in 2012. So, in 2014, when he sowed again date palm seed, he became succeed. This time, 32 date palms tree grow. Now in his date palm garden, there are 21 date palm trees in which 4 of them have yielded. According to Mr. Jalil, after planting date palm, a farmer may wait for 3 to 5 years. Then every year he gets fruit from it until 100 years. It is really very amazing for a date plant garden owner. There is very easy to maintain it because the farmer should fertilizes around the date palm tree only 3 times per year. But anyone who creating this farm must know which is male date palm tree and which is female date palm tree. In male palm tree, there cannot yield a single fruit. So this is a vital matter of date palm garden. Because after 5 years, when you know that your date palm tree is a male, then it is really a very hopeless situation for a farmer. Mr. Jalil also told us about the cultivation of date palm tree. According to him, it is better to sow palm trees at 8 to 10 feet apart. Then one must fertilize around the date palm tree individually. The natural fertilizer is better. Chemical fertilizer is also needed such as urea, phosphate, sulfur, potassium, gypsum, etc. At the initial stage, after 3 to 5 years, one gets 60 to 70 kg date palm from every palm tree. Day after day, it becomes increased near about 100 to 120 kg. Mr. Jalil suggested that interested person may come ahead in this sector because it is believed that the soil of Bangladesh is very effective for many crops. The date palm is also like this. Thank you for watching our video.